Reflective 2 comes in a 20-inch wide roll in 1 yard, 5 yard, 10 yard, 25 and 50 yard increments. So there's a variety of options for your business. This product in the 50 yard roll is as low as $1.88 per square foot, which makes it very affordable for customizing apparel. When cutting this particular reflective product, there is no liner to remove. You simply load the roll, adhesive side up, like we've done here, and send your image in reverse. Like most reflectives, this reflective does have glass beads in it, so it's very important to use a sharp blade. Always conduct a test cut first to ensure you have accurate settings. Once the cut is complete, we'll remove it from the cutter and start the weeding process. When weeding Reflective 2, you'll notice that the material does have a sticky backing, very low tack, which means if you accidentally peel up something, you'll be able to position it back down. As you're thinking about using this product, there's a lot of different opportunities for reflective logos. In this case, I'm using it for our corporate logo as an alternate color to our base color. And that's typically acceptable with any corporate logo, especially when you're aiming for a special effect with high visibility. Now, when it comes to heat application of this, you'll notice how easy it is to use, and we're going to apply these logos across 3 different styles of items. It would be a great opportunity for promotional products. The backing is tacky, but it does allow for stacking and separating over at the heat press. CAD-CUT Reflective 2 applies at a temperature range of 290 degrees to 302 degrees. If you're decorating a synthetic fabric like this polyester performance polo, we recommend the 290 degree application. I'm loading it on a 6x10 platen here on the Hotronix Fusion heat press. I'm going to do a quick preheat to make sure my pressure is correct. Then I'm going to take one of my small logos, position it into place, and prepare to complete the application. I do want to make sure I have it lined up. What I like to do is typically hold the garment up. Since I'm using the 6x10 platen to get rid of the buttons, I like to hold the buttons up to ensure the logo is running straight, and I also like to pinch top shoulder where the collar meets the shoulder seam and run a vertical line down and make sure that's roughly centered on my logo. That will change slightly depending on the format of your logo, but that gives you a good general rule. 290 degree single step application of 10 seconds. And this is a hot peel, which I love. And that's completed. Now let's move on to our next item. We're going to decorate a high visibility jacket. This is a polyester based jacket. Reflective 2 does apply to cotton, polyester, and blends. So this polyester based jacket is perfectly fine. It's already built in with some reflective accents on it. So again, we're going to position that, conduct a little preheat just to warm up the surface. Grab my small logo. Position it into place. Cover and heat apply. You notice the reflective positions very easy with that light tack on the backing for this Reflective 2. It also hot peels very easily. You don't see the carrier gripping to the garment at all, leaving a mark or giving you any issues. It's just an extremely easy product to work with. And the results are outstanding. Going to rotate my 6x10 platen. And we're going to do a print onto a laptop bag. Notice how I'm splitting and threading the bag on to get rid of the seams. Do a preheat. I'll position one of my larger logos into place. Covering and completing the application. A nice feature of the Reflective II, if you need to tack it down for just a few seconds and peel the carrier because you're doing a multi-step application, you can feel free to do that. In this case, I used that feature so it wouldn't leave a Mylar indentation mark on this pliable polyester-based bag that tends to leave a marking from the carrier. Now I'll just cover it and do a full application. And let's take a look at our completed set. So hopefully you're starting to get some ideas for your business about what you can really achieve for your customers with a reflective heat transfer vinyl. This CAD Cut Reflective II is available right now from Stahl's.